falls from the sky above and lands on earth's dry ground, where it feeds the plants and trees and all things that live around. If we want our water fresh and all life to remain, then we need to keep earth clean, and that includes the rain. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops, keeps us from being too dry. Rain falls from the sky above, and it keeps pouring down. This is one of many things, and makes earth spinning around. If we want our water clean, our planet blue and safe, then we need to keep it clean, and that includes the rain. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops, keeps us from being too dry. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops, keeps us from being too dry. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Drip, 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 go the pitter-patter raindrops, keeps us from being